Howdy, everybody. Today we have a Back to the Future Part 2 pack. 9 movie cards, 1 sticker, 1 stick of gum. We open it up nice and easy. Let's see what we got here. Got to be very careful. Let's check out our gum specimen. Another good gum specimen. That's good. Let's see. We got, oh, that's our little old Marty McFly right there. The Pitbull Brigade. Oh, that USA Today is always pretty cool. Love seeing that. Retrieving the Almanac. Let's take a look at the back. Pretty neat. We got Incredible, Isn't It? Surf Vietnam, USA. Our Jaws 19. Oh, yeah, can't wait for Jaws 19 to come out. Hello, McFly. Anybody home? Their First Kiss. That one's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got here. We have The Rescue. Love the DeLorean. Love seeing the DeLorean like that. Michael J. Fox back in 1955.